When I was a child, my grandma would call each family members with care. She has a name for everyone, be you a child or an adult. Baba mi, ìyá mi, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, àbúrò mi. Even for a baby, each word full of love. Baba mi kékeré. In English we say family, but in Yoruba we say ẹbí. And Ebi is more than just people. Ebi is identity. Ebi is home. So Ebi is family. And family is home, is your roots. So this week we're going to be looking at members of the family from grandparents to cousins. And that's about our roots, where we are from, where we all are from. Are you ready to be the family? Let's go. Mother, ìyá, father, baba, the daughter or sister, àbúrò obìnrin or ẹ̀gbọ́n obìnrin or ìyá kékeré, younger sister. Is just an affectionate way of calling your sister. Son or brother, ọmọkùnrin, ẹ̀gbọ́n àbúrò ọkùnrin or baba kékeré, small daddy. It's also an affectionate way of calling your brother. Baby, ọmọ tuntun, ọmọ kékeré, grandmother, ìyá àgbà, grandfather, bàbá àgbà. The aunt, ìyá ńlá. You could also say auntie. That's an informal way. Uncle, bàbá ńlá. You could also say uncle. When you have your cousins, arábìnrin tàbí arákùnrin, just depending on the gender. Your female cousins are called arábìnrin. Your male cousins are your arákùnrin. So family could also be ìdílé or ẹbí. Family is roots. Family is home. Family is where love thrives.